Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. You are with me on KSY Creations. In this video, we will see how we can control this 220 volts LED with help of this 12 volts LED controller. This is the simple 12 volts LED controller. This is the LED strip which comes with this LED controller. This LED strip works on 12 volts, but in place of this, we will connect this 220 volts LED. To connect this LED to this, we will need a relay. This is 12 volts relay. You can put up to 100 watts load on this relay. So these are the things we need: 220 volts light, 12 volts relay. We need 12 volts relay only because this LED controller works on 12 volts. A 12 volts adapter to power this controller and a holder to connect this light. In this way this LED strip works. You can control this controller with this remote control. Now in place of this 12 volts LED strip, we are going to connect this 220 volts LED. Before starting, we need to know positive and negative terminals from these 4 wires. In these 4 wires, there will be one positive terminal and remaining all are the negative. So we are going to use one positive and one negative terminal. To find out the positive and negative terminals, positive terminal will be at the extreme ends. Either this blue one will be positive or else this white one will be positive. So we need to find out which is the positive terminal. So for this LED strip should be in normal mode, not in this blinking mode. In this way this should be, all LEDs should be on. To find the terminals, I am going to use this multimeter. I will remove this LED strip. With help of this multimeter, I will check the polarity. You can see here we are getting the 12 volts. That means this white wire will be positive and remaining all are the negative. So we are going to use this white and green. Now we will connect this LED controller to this relay. Then we have to connect this LED to this relay. First we will see how we can connect this controller to this relay. To connect this, for this connection I am taking this type of connector. I have removed this from LED strip. In this case this black will be positive and blue will be negative. Now coming to this relay, you can see here there are 5 terminals. These both terminals are the coil terminals and these remaining 3 terminals are the normal open and normal close. First we will connect these coil terminals, that is positive and negative. You doesn't need to worry about polarity here. You can see we have connected these coil terminals. Now once we will connect this to the controller. You can hear the relay sound. I will switch off the controller. Now this relay is also switched off. Now when I switch on the controller, this relay also get activated in this way. Now we will connect this LED to this relay. Now you can see here 3 terminals are remaining here. This top middle one is the common terminal and this is the normal close and this is normal open. Now we have to connect one terminal to this common and another terminal to this normal close terminal. So this is the normal wire which goes into 220 volts. You can see this is the normal 220 volts light. Now we'll see how we can connect this light to the relay. Simply we have to cut one wire into 2 parts. Now the wire which we have cutted into 2 parts, one wire we will connect to the common terminal. You can see I have connected one wire to the common terminal and I am connecting another wire to the normal closed terminal. You can see in this way I have connected these terminals. Now make sure you doesn't get in contact with these common terminal and this normal closed terminal, because as we are going to connect this to the 220 volts, by mistake if we get in contact with these terminals, we may get electric shock. Now this circuit is ready. Now we will connect this to the electricity and we will see how this is going to work. First I will connect this to the controller. Now I am going to power this. You can see already this relay is activated. Now for a while I will switch off the controller. I have connected this LED to the 220 volts. Now I will switch on the LED controller. Now this controller is working on fluctuation mode. I will make it to normal mode. You can see now we are controlling this LED with help of this remote. Now I can on and off this LED with help of this remote.